Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Metro Bank app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Metro Bank app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. In here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited for this page to completely load. And here it's going to load all the apps that you currently have on your phone. And now when it's done, you can just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. As you can see, click on the search bar, search for Metro Bank and click on it obviously. And then you're going to click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. Then we're going to click on the reinstall app button in here and just simply wait for the app to be automatically updated to the latest version. So I guess that sometimes when Metro Bank releases like a new update on their app and we haven't yet gotten it, then it might be like quite buggy and maybe even not working for us. So try to update your app to the latest version, because by doing this you're going to basically force the app to update, and this worked for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.